Well, hello everyone. Welcome back to the Atlantis 1957 Cadillac Eldorado Brougham build. And last time we cut all our parts off the chrome tree and did some touch-up paint on it with the silver metallic tester's paint. And now what we're going to do is assemble our rims onto our tires. And I think what I'm gonna do is just apply some glue with a toothpick. I decided to go with super glue because I want to make darn sure that it holds good. And normally I would usually take some of that chrome off, but on the back side I don't want it to look all beat up, so I am going to take the chance and just use some super glue inside here and then press it on. These actually do press fit on pretty tight. I did test it before I started here, but I decided I was going to just put a little bit of glue on a toothpick and have a little bit more control. And this is actually new tube of super glue, so not that jelly stuff that I was working with on the seat. Boy, that was horrible. Some there. Yeah, it gives me a little bit more control over it. And we'll just do one more, I think, the same way. Finish the perimeter there. Kind of go around it like that. And then we'll just grab our rim. Hopefully drop it in the right spot. Make sure there's no glue on my thumb. I'm just going to press that into place. Like so. There's one done. Actually going to put it like that so the gravity make the tire peel off there. The glue should have had enough time to settle, since it is CA glue after all. Alright, let's get to it. Next one. Little much. That wasn't a very comfortable way of holding that. And we'll go a little bit more. Do it in thirds. That seems to be working out good for us so far. Okay, another rim, please. That was probably the loosest fitting one. Yeah, that should settle pretty decent. I like the look of that. It's going to look nice with the white wall. All right. And after this, I'm going to head to bed. I'm really tired. Got a lot done today, though. A lot of stuff accomplished. Again, I am going to touch this paint up, but I want to get it on the axles first so I can spin it and touch them up. Excellent. One more. I'd be able to do that in two. A lot more glue than I have been putting on it. Covered the whole half. And then the final rim. Snaps into place. Love it. Looks like they stayed in position. Good. And that is our Cadillac wheels. I like how the panel line stuff really brings out the detail in it. All right. I'd like to thank everyone for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next video.